Now, additionally, this member voice right under it uses your writing style and it assigns different characteristics to it. So maybe you, when you're writing, want to share a respectful tone or a conversational tone or a professional tone. All of these different things are able to be selected. Now, if for some reason you're not quite sure where to start, again, you can hit this analyze content. You can post a writing sample, and Sam will help you understand what is my writing style, what is my member voice. And this is going to be really important in a second when we dive into generations. Now, after that, you've got some additional areas of information that you want to share. You can share different CRM merge fields. We specifically use the CRM RealVolve, which is my business partner's CRM. So we use that. So it's just got a little bit of information there. Once you have this all built out, it's going to auto save, but we're up at the very top. You can hit the save button and it's going to successfully refresh that save.